welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to be learning a song by Sinach, Praise Your Name. I'll be playing in a key of F. I want you to click on the subscribe button and then after watching leave a comment. Thank you. I'm going to be playing the song and then show you the chords afterwards. So basically in any key that you want to play the song, it's a 1 4 6 5 1 4 6 5. Now there's a place where you play the 6 sharp or 6 sharp and then 5. Yeah, so I'm going to show you that place. But for the chords, this is my chord 1, F, C, F, G, A, C for my chord 1. And for the chord 1, you can play any of the chords. You can play your 9th chord. You can play a triad inversion. This one. Okay, so this chord 1 for you. You can use this. You can use this. Alright. Now, chord 4. F, B flat, F, B flat, C, D, F. Then from there you move to your 6th chord, D, A, D or D, D. You play an octave apart, and then A, D, F, or you add the C to it, and then you move to your 5th chord, C, G, C, or C, C apart, G, C, D, E. Okay, you gave it to me, great victory. Anointed me with unfailing love, your help, oh God. Let's see, this has made me great. It's a 6 sharp. So thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribed, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you.